There's a job in Hallsville. They have a daycare, in-home daycare. Gave me a call and said, hey, our neighbor's roof is getting replaced. We're wondering if maybe our roof could be replaced as well. So I went over, looked at it. I said, yeah, there's some storm damage up here. We just had a pretty decent windstorm come through. Based on age of roof and the condition that I see it in, and the storm damage present, I think it'd be worth filing a claim. So they did. They went ahead and filed a claim. Their insurance covered them for wind damage. Big problem though. They have an in-home daycare with a lot of infants, right? So putting, 15 people up on a roof in the middle of the day, ripping shingles off and doing all of that, is very difficult to do. In addition to things falling off of roofs, no matter what you do, whenever you rip a roof off, there's a chance for a shingle to fly off or whatever it is. It wouldn't have been a very safe environment to be caring for children in the middle of this roof getting replaced. There's some things that were talked about. Well, now do we look at a weekend? Do we look at these different times? They said, hey, we're going on vacation for a week in about 6 weeks. So what if we did it during that time? I said, yeah, we can absolutely do it during that time. So, well, the concern is that we're not going to be here. And I said, that's not a problem. I said, I will be here the entire time. I'll send you pictures, updates the entire way through. And so I went there, camped out, did my office hours, right there at their house, and continued to update them all their vacation. So they're gone. Daycare is closed for a week. I have the best scenario that can be from replacing a roof on a daycare, and that is that there's no children there at the time, and the homeowner's away, but we're still able to keep them updated and aware of what's going on. And that job went very well. We got completely done with that roof, and I was walking around doing my inspection with the crew when I noticed that there was a piece of roof decking that had not gotten replaced that should have gotten replaced. So we went ahead, we removed some shingles again, replaced that piece of decking right up at the top of the roof, and put the shingles back down. So everything that needed to happen happened with zero impact to the homeowner. Did a phenomenal cleanup at the end of it, which we always do, but especially the little kid just spent a couple extra minutes there, just making sure there wasn't anything that could cause a problem or anything of that nature. And then we get all the way done. I don't know, a week later they called and said, hey, our power line mast is tilted over, like what's going on. So I went back and looked, and I had missed it. We hadn't tied it back into the roof decking like we should have. So we get the crew right back out there, we get that tied back in, get it straightened up. No issue at all with that, and I'm very, very happy. I see that roof every day. It's right there on Meadow Lark Lane there in Hallsville. It's a great little area, and really, really happy with how that roof turned out.